Huwag mong habulin ang gustong umalis sa iyong buhay. Do not chase people who do not want to stay in your life. Kung ayaw ka, bayaan mo sila. Huwag mo nga habulin. Hayaan mo siya. Remember this, my dear friends. People who leave you do not deserve you. Kung iniwan ka, hindi para sa iyo ang mga taong yun. Kung habulin mo yung mga taong ayaw ka at inaabuso ka, pinapahiya ka, dinadown ka, they make you feel bad, and they make you feel the worst. Please, have a little respect with yourself. Huwag mong babaguhin ang sarili mo para lang i-please ang ibang tao. Kasi kailangan nating unawain ito. People come into our life just for a season. May panahon at may oras lang ang pagdating at pananatili ng ibang tao sa ating buhay. Kung mananatili ang isang tao sa buhay mo, ibig sabihin, para sa iyo ang taong yun. And they are for our own good. They are for our own growth. Do not hold on to people in your life, because their absence may also help you. No matter how much you like them, sometimes you have to accept that people have to go out in your life. We have to accept that people are not forever in our lives. There is only one thing that we should hold on. It is the Lord. If you hold on to Jesus, if you hold on to the Lord, you will never be disappointed. You will always be happy. Kahit na malis ang mga tao sa buhay mo, basta't wag lang ang Diyos. Dahil nasa Diyos ang iyong buhay, buhay na ganap, ang iyong tuwa at kapayapaan ng iyong buhay. Pagdasal mo sila. At naway palagi natin makita at maramdaman, hindi tayo iniiwan ng Diyos. Yan ang ating pasalamatan. Yan sana magbigay ng tuwa sa ating mga puso at kalooban.